Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be continuing with the AB Calculus BC syllabus. I'm going to be discussing rules of differentiation. So the first rule is the constant rule. So if y, I'm going to give examples for all of them. If y equals 9, y dash, so y dash represents when it's differentiated. That is equal to 0. So whenever you have a constant, the differentiation will be 0. Now let's look at a single variable. So when y equals x, y dash would be equal to 1. So whenever you have one single variable, so just x, nothing else, it'll be 1. Now let me give you another example. A function f of x is equal to x again, f dash of x. This is how you write the differentiation of a function f dash of x. This is also 1 because it's the differentiation of a single variable. Now let's look at the power rule. Say f of x equals x to the power of n. Then f dash of x would be equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. So this is just the general term. So now if I give you an example, say y is x to the power of 5, then y dash would be, so n goes to the coefficient of x. So 5x to the power of n minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So this is what y dash is. So this is the power rule. Now let's look at the constant multiple rule. So let's say we have y equals 5x. So there is a constant multiplied to the single variable. So we know that the differentiation of x is 1, right? So it'll just be 5 into 1, which is 5. Similarly, if y equals 3x, then y dash would be 3 into 1, which is 3. Now let's look at the sum or difference rule. So these rules of differentiation are very important in the AP calculus exam, as you will use them in many questions. So x squared plus 5x minus 3, find y dash. So we can just do them separately. So x squared, we know that x to the power of n is nx to the power of n minus 1. So 2x to the power of 2 minus 1, which is 1, plus differentiation of 5x is 5 into 1, which is 5. And differentiation of a constant is 0. So I'm just going to write plus 0. So hence this can be written as 2x plus 5. So this is the sum or difference rule. Now it gets a little bit complicated in the product rule. So say u into v. These are two functions. Like u could be like 2x squared minus 4x, and v could be 3x minus 5, for example. U into v dash plus v into u dash. So this is the differentiation. So v dash is the differentiation of v and u dash is the differentiation of u. Let me give you an example. Y equals 2x squared minus 4x. This is multiplied by 3x minus 5. Find y dash. So u into v dash, so u stays the same. So this, in this case, this is u and this is v. So u, 2x squared minus 4x, into the differentiation of v, which is 3, because differentiation of 3x is 3 and 5 is just 0, plus v into u dash, which is 3x minus 5. I'm going to write the multiplication here underneath it. Differentiation of 2x squared is 4x, because this 2 goes down. So I'll just write as 4x to the power of 1. minus 4. So hence this is equal to 6x square minus 12x plus 12x minus 20x minus 12x, sorry, minus 12x plus 20. So this can be written as finally 18x square minus 44x plus 20. So this is the product rule. Now I'm going to be moving on to the quotient rule. U by V. The differentiation of this would be V into U dash minus U into V dash by V square. So an example would be f of x equal 4x minus 3 divided by 2x plus 1. And we have to find the derivative of this. So the numerator is u and the denominator is v. Find f dash of x. So f dash of x would be, using the formula, v into u dash, so 2x plus 1. U dash is 4 minus u into v dash, which is 4x minus 3, into the derivative of 2x plus 1, which is 2, divided by 2x plus 1, the whole square. And now we can simplify this and solve. So these are all the rules you have to know of differentiation. There are still a few rules like chain rule and then differentiation of trigonometric functions and then differentiation of exponential functions, etc. But we'll be doing those later. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. In today's video, I discussed the 7 important rules of differentiation which you must know for your AP Calculus BC exam. Thank you.